Hello. Self-doubt isn't a healthy behavior, but self-reflection is. It is important to be mindful and recognize if there is something we could improve within ourselves. There are so many people who think that they are victim of circumstance and they blame their current life situation on their work environment, other people, politics, and of course on Corona. I admit that it is so much easier to blame, but that also makes you feel powerless, helpless, and hopeless. Either you make the decision to get better on how to deal with life challenges, or you will get bitter. The best way to get out of this mentality is to acknowledge that you tend to blame rather than taking ownership. If you want to see better outcomes in your life, start with the KISS strategy because keeping it simple is sexy. Number 1, stop assuming the worst and expect the best. Things don't always work in our favor, but I encourage you to look for the good in the bad. Number 2, engage in positive self-talk rather than a negative one. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this situation? What's the opportunity here? Number 3, recognize that people may be better than you think. If you look for the good in people, you will get what you expect. The quality of your life depends on where you live emotionally. That's why I encourage you to be mindful and reflect regularly on how you feel and if you want to feel that way. There is always something you can do to feel better, and that's when you live a more empowered life. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.